I'm Mayor Cal Sheehy, and I'm excited to introduce Havasu Works, a new community engagement video series that highlights how city projects are shaping our community. We often talk about these projects during city council meetings, approving funding, reviewing priorities, and listening to your input. This series is our way of following through, bringing agenda items off the dais and into the real world by showing how your voices come to life through safer roads, improved infrastructure, and upgraded public spaces. Each segment features one of your council members on site with city staff, highlighting what's been done, why it matters, and how it impacts our residents and visitors. I'm proud to introduce our very first segment, featuring Councilmember Nancy Campbell and the recently completed improvements at London Bridge Beach. Enjoy, and thank you for your continued support and for being part of the story. Now, let's take a look at how Havasu works.
Lake Havasu City is investing in places our residents love, and one of the latest projects just wrapped up here at the London Bridge Beach. I'm here with Ted Lamacki, Public Works Maintenance Supervisor and Project Manager for the project, to talk about recent parking lots, improvements in our parks, including right here in one of our most visited parks. Ted, what can you tell us about this project?
Good morning, Nancy. Thanks for having me. This was a two-part project. Lake Havasu City Street Department came in and we removed 6,500 square yards of deteriorating asphalt. Our project began at the dog park on the east side of the parking lot. We went all the way to Sir Gadsden Street on the west side, and the project included upgrades to our handicap ramps that needed attention, brand new asphalt, new striping and curbing along the west side where the curbing had broken and deteriorated. It was definitely due for an upgrade.
And it shows. London Bridge Beach is home to playgrounds, walking paths, sand volleyball courts, a basketball court, special events, a dog park, beach access, and beautiful views. It also features our 9/11 memorial flags and soon will be home to the USS Arizona relic. And this parking lot supports it all. This project was just approved a couple months ago, and I cannot believe how quickly it went from vote to visible results.
It certainly did, Nancy. Once the bid was awarded, the in-house Lake Havasu City crews from the street department pushed this project forward. That approach allowed us to cut costs and maintain quality workmanship that I feel provided an outstanding end product for the citizens of our community. I am so proud of the men and women on our team that worked so hard to meet the deadline of this project with minimal interruption to the day-to-day use of our park. And I'm very grateful to work for a city with a council that realizes the importance of projects like these. They help make Lake Havasu City a great place to live, work, and play. A heartfelt thank you to my crew. I'm very, very proud to be part of your team. And thank you, Lake Havasu City.
Join us here at London Bridge Beach on Thursday, July 31st at 9 a.m. for ribbon cutting and a chance to see the improvements up close and personal. This is how Havasu works.
One project at a time.